I'm Dr. Deuk. I'm here with one of my patients from Canada. And why did you come down to Deuk Spine Institute?
Because you're the best.
I'm the best. No, but really, what kind of problems were you having before you came?
Pain in my lower lumbar and down my right leg.
Pain in your lower back and down your right leg.
Right.
Do you still have that same pain now after your surgery?
I don't feel it at all.
You don't feel it at all?
No.
It's gone.
It's gone.
And how about the pain down your right leg? Do you still have that pain?
No.
It's gone. Now, we didn't give her any pain meds. She had propofol that put her to sleep. We woke her up with the propofol. She's on her regular medication she always takes, and the pain is gone. Anything you want to say to the rest of the world?
Well, I do have Parkinson's, but that had nothing to do with surgery.
Yeah.
Dr. Deuk did amazing.
Thank you. Thank you very much. When do you go back to Canada?
We leave tomorrow.
Tomorrow. So in yesterday, surgery today, home tomorrow, back to Canada. 3 days, Deuk Spine Institute, cure the back pain and leg pain. Congratulations.
Thank you very much, and thanks to all the staff.
Yeah, of course, you get to say it right here. They're all around you. All right, another success.